come here again. Really good selection of sandwiches and buns and baguettes and everything. No, it's fine. But you're loving this rain, aren't you? I'm going to show you my bike. Ginsters, very popular in the bikepacking world. Hey folks, how you doing? It's Richard from Bikepacking Adventures and welcome to the channel once again. This is the River Witham. It is very high again after all the snow melt and the rainfall over the last couple of days. I'm surprised how high it is again. Anyway, in today's ride, I'm going to be riding 200 kilometres, riding down all the way to, well, beyond Corby Glen, Wymondham Windmill, and then, well, I'll tell you where the way through it. About 9:15 in the morning, it's not particularly early start. Got the van, sleeping in it as well after this ride, so there was no need to be leaving mega early, to be honest, because just get back early and sleep in the van. Okay, here's the first obstacle coming up. No, it's fine. Glorious now, isn't it? Eyes can deceive. Looks beautiful, and it is beautiful. But it's a little bit warm, a little bit cold. Yeah, this kind of feels like an early spring day. But of course, we're middle of, well, not even the middle of Feb. Middle of winter is what I'm trying to say. A few more weeks still till the clocks go forward. So, ping, I'll pop up on the screen how many Audax points I've got so far. I'm going to be doing this throughout 2024, my videos, because I've set myself a challenge for this year, which is to try and accrue 100 Audax points. So I'll keep you informed how I'm getting along over the course of this year. So I've just got underneath in Corby. Ginsters, very popular in the bikepacking world. Whisper. I'll go for one of the protein drinks. So as I leave Corby Glen, I'll be soon entering a new county. Can't remember which one it's going to be. It's either Rutland or Leicestershire. Well, what do you know? It's actually right for once. Yeah, I wasn't quite sure where it crept into Rutland enough. Well, not long ago, past my most southerly point on this 200 kilometre Audax, and I've just seen on the horizon the site of the radio mast at Wymondham on the Wolds. So that means coming into Leicestershire and Wymondham Windmill, not too far away from here now. Not far now from the village of Tay, just going through a series of S-bends. If you live in Oakham, you'll know the S-bends I'm referring to. Much better in a southerly direction, back towards Oakham. That's it, arrived at Wymondham Windmill, or Wymondham Windmill, I'm not sure which way it's pronounced. And I was going to show you my bike. So this is what I've been riding today. It's the Rally Supermatic. Quite an old bike. Just jesting. So yeah, I'm on the road bike today. It's my Calibri titanium road bike from Sonder Bikes over in Haversidge. Got that in March 2020. It was like a couple of days before lockdown. Arrived in the nick of time. So got absolute black chain rings. I can't remember the configuration now, but it's their smallest one they do, or they did at the time anyway. We've got tail fin, top tube bag in there. I think this is a toe peak one saddle bag. Yes, it is. Lots of bits and bobs in there. Some aero bars, which I do need to space out a little bit more because my arms are quite straight. My arms are coming in a little bit, so I need to sort that out. And I got some clothes on there to waterproof, and a gilet as well to keep me either dry and warm. I'll probably be putting those on a little bit later on. So that's my bike I've been riding today. On the move again. I'm heading left down the mere. Anyway, so I'm heading this way towards that rain cloud. Looks like it's chucking it down as well. And some more over that way. But that's the way I'm heading. Hopefully it won't catch it up. Yeah, so ultimately I'm heading that way up to the mast at Waltham on the Wold. And where else I'm heading after that? Towards Grantham. You're loving this rain, aren't you? Rain jacket time. I've had enough getting wet, so flinging off the rain jacket because it's just not stopping just yet. There was not rain in the forecast today. So right now I'm heading towards Belvoir Castle. Just going to go around the edge of it. And then it's up the climb at Denton. If you know that one, if you're around here, you surely will. Take the rain jacket off again. It barely rained. Just stopped at the View, Belvoir Castle. And decided what I'm going to do in terms of clothing. I'm going to put the gilet on after the next 3 climbs I finish. Because all in a quick succession. And I think, well, I know I don't want to overheat going up those. Literally just going to get to the other side of Grantham and then I can put my gilet back on again. No, my luck, it will start raining before I get to the other side of Grantham. Must remember it's coming towards the end of opportunities to film. Looks really bright on the screen, but I can show you it's starting to dull now. It must have gone R4. Sun sets at 5 to 5. Woo-hoo. I know what's coming up in a little while. The next control point, which I've stuck in, and I'm probably not going to actually stop there. Now it's called the New Chapel. It's a church, convert church. It's got a restaurant and a cafe inside it, in the little town or village of Grayleys. It's 5:20 and it's still light-ish. Ish. No, lights are on and everything. It's that awkward dusk now. And there it is, the New Chapel right in front of us. You can see there's a few cars in there. It's a congregation or what, I don't know. But I'm not going inside to have a look, even if I think I need a drink. Just keep on moving. And I was watching a video with Paul Green on the other day. He went out riding with, is it Ian and another lad, and that building there looks like it's off the Adams family, with good reason. It looks like the Adams family because it's I can see it needs tearing down. It used to be a mental asylum or something. I've come here again. Really good selection of sandwiches and buns and baguettes and everything. Yeah, really impressed. I'm probably leave the video here. Got any comments, questions, put them down below. I'll do my best to reply to them. Shall see you in the next one soon. Take care. Bye bye.